everyone, before we dive in, a quick nudge. Subscribe to the channel, like this episode, and drop your next community medicine topic in the comments. Your suggestions shape our lineup. Today's focus is Mission Indradhanush and Intensified Mission Indradhanush, how they revived India's universal immunization program. With us is community medicine specialist Dr. Joshi, ready to help our third-year listeners nail this for exams?
Absolutely. Let's turn this into a high-yield, easy-to-recall revision.
To start, recall facts. Dr. Joshi, what is Mission Indradhanush and why was it launched?
Mission Indradhanush, launched in December 2014, was the Government of India's flagship drive to reinvigorate routine immunization under the Universal Immunization Program, aiming for at least 90% full immunization in children up to 2 years of age and pregnant women. The Indradhanush, 7-color rainbow, symbolized protection against 7 then-priority vaccine-preventable diseases, later expanded with newer antigens. Coverage had stagnated at about 1% increase per year earlier, so a surge strategy was needed.
Recall the original 8 targeted life-threatening diseases?
Diphtheria, pertussis, whooping cough, tetanus, poliomyelitis, tuberculosis, measles, Haemophilus influenzae type B, and hepatitis B, with Japanese encephalitis added where relevant. The mission initially focused on 201 high-priority districts, later scaling up through special drives layered onto routine sessions and strong partner support from agencies such as the World Health Organization and United Nations Children's Fund.
And the how? What operational levers matter in exam answers?
3 levers: microplanning, missed child tracking, and session quality. First, microplans update due lists from headcount surveys and map outreach sites, hamlets, urban slums, and construction sites. Second, the due list and dropout logic. Every child is listed with doses due, dropouts are actively tracked. Third, quality. Vaccine and logistics readiness, cold chain checks, and communication to mobilize families. Phased drives between April 2015 and July 2017 were credited with sizable increases in full immunization in many districts.
Great. Now zoom into Intensified Mission Indradhanush. When and why did it arrive?
Intensified Mission Indradhanush, launched in October 2017, sharpened the focus on the slowest progressing districts and dense urban pockets. It added rigorous preparatory reviews, stronger supervision, and integrated IMI sessions back into the routine microplan so gains would sustain after rounds ended. This was followed by Intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0 to keep momentum towards the national 90% goal. The early program push ran through to March 2020.
After the pandemic disruptions, did the strategy adapt?
Yes, Intensified Mission Indradhanush 4.0 was launched on 7th February 2022. It ran 3 rounds across 416 districts, explicitly to catch up missed and dropped out children and pregnant women, while restoring routine services to pre-pandemic performance.
And then came Intensified Mission Indradhanush 5.0, right?
Correct. Intensified Mission Indradhanush 5.0 in 2023 extended across all districts, included children up to 5 years of age, and placed a special emphasis on Measles-Rubella elimination by pushing first and second doses. Reports noted large numbers of beneficiaries reached across its 3 rounds.
Quick self-check. Pause and recall. State the key distinction between regular Mission Indradhanush and Intensified Mission Indradhanush in one line.
Mission Indradhanush is the broad periodic catch-up drive to raise coverage. Intensified Mission Indradhanush is the sharper time-bound surge with tighter planning, supervision, and monitoring in the hardest-to-reach geographies, followed by integration into routine sessions.
Nice. Let's apply this with a vignette. A primary health center in urban Jaipur reports low DPT-3 coverage and high dropouts in 2 large slums. What would you do step by step?
First, list and locate the unreached. Update headcount and due lists with ASHAs and ANMs mapping work sites, brick kilns, transit hubs, and construction clusters. Second, re-microplan. Convert non-functioning sessions into mobile or outreach sessions at times convenient for working parents, evenings, or weekly market days. Third, communication. Engage local leaders, women's self-help groups, and school teachers. Use simple pictorial invitations and miking. Fourth, logistics. Verify cold chain, vaccine stocks, and auto-disabled syringes or AD syringes, pre-position diluent safety boxes, and adverse event kits. Fifth, Intensified Mission Indradhanush round, run 4 session days for per site in a month with supportive supervision checklists, tally with due lists at day end, and conduct daily review at block. Finally, integrate. Ensure that after the round, these outreach sites remain on the routine microplan so coverage is sustained.
Nice. Give us another short case.
Vignette 2. A tribal block shows low measles-rubella second dose uptake. Action would be, first plan an intensified Mission Indradhanush session just before the agricultural lean period when families are present. Use local language IEC on 2-dose protection and coordinate with school enrollment days to close gaps in 5-year-olds. Post-session verify line lists to ensure all due children got MR second dose and schedule defaulters into the next routine session.
Many listeners ask about digital tools. What is UWin or UWin, and should we mention it in exams?
Yes, briefly. UWin is the new digital immunization platform piloted in January 2023 across 65 districts. It creates case-based records for pregnant women and children, supports automated SMS reminders, and enables offline capture where internet is patchy, helping to ensure no child is missed. You can write that it complements microplanning and due list tracking, and it is being expanded in phases.
Pause and recall. List 3 exam-worthy monitoring elements during an intensified Mission Indradhanush round.
1. Daily session reporting against due lists and dropout conversion. 2. Supervisory checklists covering vaccine handling, session quality and safety. 3. Block-level evening reviews to redirect teams to pockets with low footfall.
Let's analyze common barriers. What typically suppresses coverage, and how do these strategies address them?
Barriers include mobility, migrant families, timing, working parents, misinformation or fear of adverse events, and urban complexity, loud houses, get-it clusters. Mission Indradhanush responds by taking the session to the doorstep with flexible timing. Intensified Mission Indradhanush adds rigorous enumeration and follow-up, more supervisors per site, and targeted social mobilization in slums and transit points. For misinformation, quick response is vital. Pre-brief the team to handle common myths and ensure swift, transparent adverse event management to sustain trust.
For long answer questions, students often struggle with structure. Could you outline a crisp write-up skeleton for Mission Indradhanush and Intensified Mission Indradhanush?
Sure, think of doses. D for definition and dates, Mission Indradhanush, December 2014, Intensified Mission Indradhanush waves including Intensified Mission Indradhanush 4.0, February 2022, and Intensified Mission Indradhanush 5.0, 2023. O for objectives, greater than 90% full immunization, reach unreached children up to 2 years, Intensified Mission Indradhanush 5.0 included up to 5 years, and pregnant women, restore routine after surges. S for scope and strategy, district and urban slum focus microplans, due lists, special session days, partner support. E for execution, phased round supportive supervision, daily review and integration into routine microplans. S for systems, recording and reporting, line listing and digital enablement via UN pilots.
Nicely mnemonic. Students also like compare and contrast. Can you bullet the differences for Viva?
Sure. Mission Indradhanush versus Intensified Mission Indradhanush. Intensity, Mission Indradhanush is a periodic catch-up drive. Intensified Mission Indradhanush is a time-bound high-supervision surge. Geography, Mission Indradhanush targets high-focus districts. Intensified Mission Indradhanush narrows to the lowest-performing districts, urban slums, migrant sites, and later expanded nationwide in Intensified Mission Indradhanush 5.0. Process, both use microplans and due lists. Intensified Mission Indradhanush adds tighter preparatory reviews, control room monitoring, and mandatory integration of sessions into the routine plan post-round. Recent emphasis, Intensified Mission Indradhanush 5.0 prioritized measles-rubella elimination while covering all national immunization schedule vaccines.
Before we wrap, one exam-style interpretation question. If a district reports improved first dose coverage but stagnant full immunization, what does that tell you and what would you advise?
It signals initiation without completion, dropouts. I would advise 1. Strengthen appointment and reminder systems, paper due list plus SMS via UWin where available. 2. Ensure second contact opportunities, co-locate immunization with Anganwadi days and village health sanitation and nutrition days. 3. Run an intensified Mission Indradhanush mini round for hard-to-reach clusters. 4. Audit session quality, are stockouts or timing barriers suppressing return visits.
Final self-check. State 2 lines on why these missions matter for equity.
This shift resources deliberately to the left-behind child by place, slums, tribal hamlets, by circumstance, migration, and by season, lean periods. Intensified Mission Indradhanush adds oversight so no pocket is invisible.
That was tight and exam ready. Thank you, Dr. Joshi. Listeners, subscribe, like, and tell us which national program you want next. Until then, pause and review your doses skeleton. You'll thank yourself in the Viva.